This is a fully automatic cable tray roll forming production line.
At the front section, we use a hydraulic decoiler integrated with a precision leveler. It securely feeds the steel coil and flattens surface tension, ensuring smooth, consistent material entry and improving downstream forming and punching accuracy. Next, the coil enters the punch press. This station performs continuous hole punching with high precision and stable force output, ensuring all slot positions are accurate and clean. It supports customized punching layouts for different cable tray standards. After punching, the coil runs over a buffer support rack. This rack works as a loop control system, balancing material flow between the punching unit and the forming section. It automatically adjusts speed in real time, preventing material stretching, distortion, or punch misalignment, and keeping the whole line running smoothly and efficiently.
The perforated steel coil then enters the roll-forming machine. After passing through the guiding system, the material is aligned precisely with the forming direction. This ensures excellent straightness on the final cable tray profiles. The forming section is built with a double wall frame structure, providing higher rigidity and vibration resistance during high-speed production. In addition, the whole machine can automatically shift left and right to change sizes, allowing quick specification adjustments without manual downtime, making it the preferred solution for efficiency. At the end of the line, we use a Servo flying hydraulic cutting system. It travels synchronously with the forming speed, allowing continuous cutting without stopping the line. This design significantly improves production speed, throughput, and overall workflow efficiency. Here, you can see the finished cable trays installed on site. The smooth edges, accurate hole positions, and consistent straightness allow for fast mounting and alignment during cable management projects. The precision of the profiles reduces fitting time and improves overall installation quality. In summary, this cable tray roll forming line offers high efficiency, flexible size change, and reliable continuous cutting performance. It delivers a stable production yield and consistent profile quality, making it ideal for customers with medium to high volume requirements. This production line is suitable for electrical contractors, cable support system manufacturers, industrial infrastructure builders, and distributors looking to upgrade capacity, reduce labor costs, and standardize product quality.